Hi friends, Ian Lozada here from Douglas Elliman Real Estate, and I just want to touch base with you for our September market update. The first thing I want to let you know, fundamentals of the market, interest rates are still hanging right around 3.6%. They've gone a little below, a little above, but they've pretty much been relatively stable there for the last month. Not expecting it yet to tick upwards, but it'll come probably closer to October or so. Of course, inventory. Inventory has still been moving very fast at the lowest ends of the market and at the trade up ends of the market. A lot of inventory that we're still seeing sitting there on the market in the highest ranges in the South Shore. But also, we're beginning to see that three quarters group, the 50 to 75 percentile homes, those are actually lingering the longest on the market right now. And that shows us that we're seeing some significant differences between what sellers think their home's worth and what buyers are willing to pay for it. Might mean some good news if you're in that group right below, though, and you're thinking about trading up. In addition, I know that kids went back to school today in most of the school districts on Long Island. That means nothing when it comes to the fact that 75% of people who move in any given year are not tied to the school districts. So if you're thinking about selling, this is where we expect the second wind of the market. A lot of homes go on the market and get sold between September and mid-November. And a lot of people want to make sure they get it done in time to be somewhere else for Thanksgiving, in time to be somewhere else for Christmas, Hanukkah. So keep that in mind. Nobody really wants to move as much in January and February. The people who move then usually move because they have to move. But there's a big segment of the market that is still very active. We just went and had a young couple go and close on one home over in Medford, brand new listing, on brand new construction, I should say. We had a young couple just go into contract over in Oceanside, right around the corner from my Dwight Street listing that went so fast. They also were moving with a 2-month-old, so not tied at all to the school district. Just put in an offer half an hour ago for another young couple who are moving with a 2-year-old. People who are not tied to the school district are making offers right now. And if you're in that situation where you're thinking of downsizing, you're thinking of trading up, and maybe you don't have to worry about those things, let's have a conversation right now, because things are moving very quickly in the market, and I want to make sure that we get out in front of whatever craziness is going to happen next year. Because what we're also finding is a lot of people are worried about what next year is going to look like. You're beginning to hear that R word, recession. You're also hearing that everybody expects next year to be about the most crazy town banana pants election in modern history. Those two things are going to create a lot of uncertainty. If you want to get out in front of that, like 44% of people told a survey recently that they were planning to move in the next 2 years, but now they're ramping up their timetables because of what's expected over the next year. If you're one of those people, let's talk. As always, my number 516-850-6899. Once again, 516-850-6899. Let's talk soon.